Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera W/18 to 135mm lens bundle Canon 75 to 300mm 3 lens. This Canon camera bundle comes a 1-year seller warranty. Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera key features: 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 8 image processor, UHD 4K 30p Full HD 120p video recording, 3-inch 1.04 Variangle touchscreen LCD. Number 2. Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera with 18 to 135mm lens. 1x Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera with 18 to 135mm lens, 1x SanDisk Secure Digital 64GB Extreme Pro memory card, 1x camera bag, 1x Corel photo software with Photo Mirage, Aftershot, Painter Essentials, PaintShop Pro, and Video Studio, 2x LPE6 battery, 1x rapid charger for LPE6, 1x memory card reader, 1x mini portable LED video light, 1x3-piece Pro filter kit, 1x wide-angle lens 67mm, 1x telephoto lens 67mm, 1x67mm Gradua. Number 3. Canon EOS 4000D/Rebel T100 Digital SLR Camera. Deluxe bundle with camera, 18 to 55mm lens, wide-angle telephoto, 64GB, case, filter kit, flash, tripod more. 18.0 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 4 image processor, 2.7-foot 230K LCD monitor. Full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, 9.AF system and AI Servo AF, extended ISO 12800, 3 frames per second shooting. Built-in Wi-Fi, seen intelligent auto mode, creative auto modes, manual modes. Number 4. 58mm 0.43x Altura Photo Professional HD wide-angle lens. Easily screws on to the front of your lens and instantly expands the field of view for breathtaking wide-angle photography. Features a detachable macro lens for extremely high-resolution close-ups of small objects. Popular 58mm lens models including Canon EFS 18 to 55mm f/4-5.6 ISSTM, Canon EFS 55 to 250mm f/4-5.6 ISSTM, Canon EF 75 to 300mm f/4-5.63 USM, Canon EFS 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 ISSTM, Canon E. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, 2-lens kit with EF 18-55mm EF 75 to 300mm lens. Improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C. Sensor width is 100 to 6400 H, 12800. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. Working temperature range, 32-104 degree F/0-40 degree C, 9.AF system and AI Servo AF. Optical viewfinder with approximate 95% viewing coverage.